Jesus. What is it? Look at blood from your nose. Just hold on. Tick. Sorry. Tick. Clean it up.
I'm sorry.
What are you looking for? Ask for my mom. What?
Hello?
Hello, Etta. How are you?
Mommy, is everything all right?
Everybody's okay.
How's Daddy?
Your daddy's okay. He's fine.
Okay. And Richie?
No, Richie did not come back, but I spoke with him last night.
Okay. What about Ella?
Ella is fine. She's okay.
Mom, is she all right? I have a feeling something is wrong.
My dear, there's nothing wrong. Everybody's okay. Ella is fine.
Mom, I have a feeling all is not fine.
Okay. She had a crisis this morning, but she's sleeping right now. She'll be fine.
Crisis? Why did this happen?
Don't worry. She'll be okay.
Oh my God. I'm coming back right now.
No. You don't need to. You don't need to stress yourself. No.
Babe, what is it?
Hello? Oh my goodness. This girl will not kill me. Huh?
What is it?
It's my twin sister. She just had a crisis. Excuse me.
Babe, take it easy. Don't hurt yourself.
I am so sorry that we can't discharge her now. She has to be on drip for 7 more days. We would like to have a close observation on her.
Sweetie, your life is more important to us than that examination.
Yes.
How will you write in this state of health?
No, Mom. Mom, I can't afford to miss my jam again for the 4th time. My twin sister is preparing for her final year exams. And here I am, struggling with some kind of help.
Sweetheart, don't think like that, okay? What is very important right now is your health. There's always another exam. In fact, there will be another jam next year. So just get better first, then we can start thinking about examinations. No worry about that. It is well. It is well.
No. I can't afford to stay at only 1 more year again. What have I done?
My dear, you are getting weaker by talking too much. How will you perform in the examination hall tomorrow? How? Look at the way you are now. You can't even get up. It's okay.
Ella, all we are trying to do is to keep you alive. We can't afford you to go into an examination where you might fall into another crisis.
I was born just the same way like my sister and brother. And I truly deserve to be strong and happy like others. But every day I soak my pillow with tears. Why am I the only one suffering this pain?
Daddy, please, I have to do this. I can't bear to have her go through it the 4th time.
No, sweetheart. I can't let you do that. No.
And why not, Daddy? We're not just talking about my sister here. It's my twin sister. We are one, Daddy. I can't bear to have her lie down helplessly on that hospital bed. She's about to miss the exam in a couple of hours from now. That is not fair. The doctor wouldn't even discharge her. Daddy, please just let me go and write this exam for her. Please, I beg you.
Immaculata, you're not listening to me. I know what you're trying to do. Well, that is called impersonation. If you are caught impersonating somebody, it is punishable under law. Okay? No, I won't let you do that.
But Daddy, it's not...
I said no. I can't bear to see one of my daughters lying sick in bed and the other one in jail.
No.
When others are moving to their goals, I'm just right here staring at the door. I've been left behind by my younger ones, an object of pity to everyone. Even when I try so hard to move forward, I still cannot make it. Not because I'm not working hard enough, but I am sick from birth. Oh Lord, tell me why.
I'm so happy you're fine now.
Mom said the doctor promised to discharge me tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I know. I heard.
Hello, Trini. You like it? Hey, Jenny. How are you doing?
I'm fine, honey. How are you feeling now?
I'm fine. At least better than yesterday.
Yeah, I can see. Now you're feeding yourself.
Yeah, so Madame can now feed herself.
Anyways, I was on my way to Cyber Cafe to go and check on my jam result. I just had to stop by to check on you. I know how you're feeling.
Oh. Jam result is out?
Yes. It came out like yesterday. You guys didn't know?
Even when I try so hard to move forward, I still cannot make it. Not because I'm not working hard enough, but I am sick from birth. Oh Lord, tell me why. Why? Mama, tell me why. Papa, tell me why.
Honestly, I didn't notice Richie was back. I was surprised when I saw him this morning.
That's because he just came around today.
Yeah. And he actually came because he heard you were discharged, but came and met your absence.
Yeah, Mom told me the doctor delayed a day longer.
Yeah. I'm happy I was finally discharged.
Yes! Oh, finally!
Ekeh, what is it?
Just something I've been looking for a long time, yeah.
Has it got to do with your project? Yes, how far have you gone with it?
Yeah, it's going well. I'm submitting next week for evaluation.
That's good.
Good morning, everybody.
Hello! Hi,
Jenny!
Hi. Welcome, man.
I'm fine, thank you. Richie, when did you come back from school?
I came back last week. School is fine. School's fine.
Ella, you don't want to invite me to come and join your banquet, Abby?
Banquet care. Mineral and biscuits. I wish you the same.
Anyways. Remember last time I came, I told I was going to check my results. Yeah, my exam result is out. And I scored 252.
Oh my God!
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Let me see that. Oh wow! Look at that.
Supposed to be crying. It's not good for your health.
Leave me alone.
Ella, I cannot leave you alone in this state, okay? Just pull yourself together, alright? Please.
Just leave me alone. I want to be alone for now. So just leave.
Where is Emanuela?
She's in my room.
Emanuela.
Leave me alone. All of you should just leave me alone.
Emanuela. Honey, please open the door now. Stop doing this to yourself, huh?
Leave me alone. Go away.
Oh, don't say that. Huh? Please. It's your daddy.
Go away.
Well, I'm not leaving until you open the door for me.
I really don't know what to do about your sister. I don't know.
I'm going to stand at her door and knock and knock. I'll keep knocking until she opens it and comes out. And this food she will eat. After breakfast, I'll go and knock till she comes out. She can't stay in that room forever. No.
Well, let's see how it works. Because she's really hurting herself. Where are the eggs? Go get them from the fridge.
What is it? What's wrong with you? You don't seem to be yourself today.
I don't know. I don't know. It's my sister. Her sudden withdrawal to herself is starting to disturb me.
When did it start?
2 days ago. Jenny came by the house to show us her jump results. Immediately Ella saw it. She ran inside and locked herself up. She shut everybody out. She won't let us in. Not even Dad.
This is serious.
Yeah. Is that serious? We all took turns at knocking on her door and she wouldn't open the door. She even sent me out when I followed her. She sent me out of her room.
And what has your mother done about this?
Poor lady. She has cried out her whole heart out last night. Everybody's just speechless. We've been knocking on her door and it all turns out to noise making. She won't open for anybody. She sent me out of her room when I went to knock.
This is serious.
Everybody's just speechless. To cap it all, the next morning Ella came out from her room, walked into the kitchen where I was preparing breakfast with Mom, and she didn't talk to anybody.
Wait, you mean she did not greet your mother?
She just walked in, went to the fridge, poured herself water, drank it, and walked away.
My girl, please Please, you have to cheer up. You know why she's doing all this? It's because she missed her exams again this year because of her ill health. But I believe very soon she will get over it. So, just cheer up. Cheer up. You know we're already late for Professor Chima's lecture. And with this mood of yours, you won't understand not even one thing that he's going to lecture today. So please, cheer up, let's go. Let's try. This is final year. Let's go, let's go.
Here's the file requested for. But our finance department reported deficit on their part, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'll put the file requested for.
Oh, okay, yeah. Drop it there. I'll take a look at it later.
Okay, sir. But there is another important file.
Jane, drop the file. I'll take a look at it later. Emanuela, please. Please, snap out of this. Why this change of behavior these past few days? Please, talk to us.
My baby girl. Please, talk to us. We are your family. You have nowhere else except here. Talk to us.
I am fed up. I am fed up with life.
Don't say that.
Ella, come on, don't say that.
Ella, why are you doing this to yourself? I mean, you're endangering your health.
My health? My health. That is the problem. Daddy, Mommy, I am the older of the twins. I'm the eldest child in this family. But look at me. Just look at me. I've missed my jump 3 times because of my sickle cell anemia. The one I happen to pass. I skipped my post-UME because of my crisis. Continuous crisis. You're busy preparing for your final year exams and your project. Richie.
Yeah.
Richie is in his 3rd year studying business administration in the university. I'm here, the sickler, studying drugs and drips. Drugs and drips! Look at my friend Jerry. She's finally passed her jam and she's getting into the university.
It's okay. You don't have to cry.
now.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Cigarette.
Agatha, listen to me and listen good. That marriage must not hold. You can see the handwriting on the wall. Your boyfriend is AS, and you are AS. Huh? What do you then expect your children to be?
But Papa, it's just a chance out of 4 for us to have a sickler.
Agatha, and what makes you to think that the one you have now in your womb is not a sickler?
This one can't be a sickler. Auntie Carol has promised to take me to a specialist that will check the genotype of the fetus. Then if it's a sickler, it can be flushed.
I'm shocked! Where on earth have you heard about such a thing? Look, you must terminate this pregnancy and stop the marriage. You both must stop bringing in children into this world to come and suffer and blame you later for their misfortune.
I'm doing no such thing, Papa. I'm doing no such thing. I love Ekeh and I'll marry him. Besides, there's a possibility of us not giving birth to a sickler, and that is if we are lucky.
Oh, wait oh. Did you say if you're lucky? What of if you're not? Eh? What will you then now tell those kids you brought to the world? Okay, I can understand you. You will now say it this way, that we are so unlucky to have you people as a sickler and the rest of your brothers not being sickler. Is that what you want to tell them?
You people are just being too negative-minded. I'm getting married to Ekeh now. I love him.
Listen good to me. Count me out of this arrangement. Hear me? Count me out. Not figure.
Okay. He's made up. Your mind is made up. You're getting married to Ekeh now. Go ahead and marry him. Stupid girl.
Hello, anybody home? There she goes. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, how are you doing?
Well, not too bad, as you can see.
Wow.
How are you faring?
I'm fine, I'm good. Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, welcome.
Thank you very much. Auntie, who's she?
That's Agatha. Ichi Ozonna's only daughter. She's a graduate of Dikeh University, Waka. She studied banking and finance. She's a nice and homely girl. So go close and say hi to him.
They're the younger being, my auntie.
My dear. Oh. What do you have to say about the girl in there?
Oh God, auntie, not again. I thought I told you the last time I visited that I have plans of traveling abroad in search of greener pastures. Marriage is not just in my dictionary for now.
Traveling out of the country is not a good idea. You have a good job. You own a house. You drive a good car. What other pasture could be greener than this? Abroad or no abroad, if you are destined to be great, you must be great.
Okay, Auntie, I've heard you. But the fact remains the same. I am not just ready for any marriage.
You are 31. You are old enough to settle down. You have all it takes to be a man and keep a wife. And I think that girl out there will make a good match for you.
It's okay, I've heard you. But I have to think about it. You know, marriage is not something you just leap into. You can as well jump out of it if it's not good.
Yes.
So please just give me time to think about it, okay?
You think about it and get words back to me.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Let's go inside. Oh, good to see you. What do I offer you?
Nothing, we are fine.
You're okay? What do I offer you?
I should just say we were fine. Very fine.
You're okay? No. How can you come here without taking something?
We're fine.
Let's sit down now. Come on.
Okay.
So we should come over and inform you of our marital plans.
Wow.
Yeah, the both of us, you have decided to tie the knot.
That's so good to hear. I got that for my love. Thank you.
Auntie, I've found the right woman in her. She has a sweet taste to my life, and I adore and love her so much.
So when are we going to see her parents?
I'll see Ichiamazi first. In fact, when I leave here, I'll try and see him. Then I'll get back to you.
Okay, after seeing him. So that I must bring something. And what do I offer? Tell me what to do. And it calls for a celebration.
Oh, we are fine.
I must get something.
No. Ichie. Oji abia. Ichie is amba. Oji is the naka. So, thank God, man. Oji does not hear again. Onye nwanyị, anyị na-ekene gị Chukwu abịa m. Amara m ife kpatara ndị ajibatebe m taa. Kama na ama m na ọ maka ọ dị mma. Ana m ekene gị na-ayọ gị Chineke ka ichekwa afa. Ọjị ada anụ bekee. Ndị Igbo ji asị mmadụ nnọọ. Ana m asịfa nnọọ. Bịa Dubai ka ife ọma mere anyị. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ. Ọbịa bụ onye abịa bunye. Mgbe ọ nakọkwa mgbe afọ n'azụ. Ka ya mere anyị n'afọ Jizọs. Amen. Young man. Afia na anụ mbọsị na anụ. Anyị ga-amụ. You are welcome once more, my people. You see, Auto Quadrono Cambody. How may I help you?
Thank you very much. I'm Ichie Amazing. Here's my sister, Carol. My nephew, Ekeh, and his maternal uncle, Ichie Okosisi.
Okosime. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. My nephew, Ekeh, he works in a shipping company in Lagos. And he told us that he discovered a flower in your garden.
See,
why you want to pluck that very flower?
Marco flower. Which flower?
You want to seek the hand of your daughter in marriage.
You're welcome. I welcome you so much. Young man, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I know Carol, she has been a very close ally to my wife. And I know that I thought she's at the head of this journey. She directed. One thing is clear. You come for good thing. But the girl will not marry, I mean, the young man will not marry us. I think it will be a deal for us to call my daughter and verify from her opinion about this request. Agatha! You get with you. Call her data for me.
Sorry?
She's hospital.
Nice. Here is Agatha.
Whoa. Here is Agatha. That's my daughter. Adanne. Mama Papa. You see, you are my ambassador. Alright. What have you got to say as this handsome young man here has just come in with his people and they're asking for your hand in marriage. Do you know him before?
Yes, Papa.
Oh my God. You know him before. What's your opinion about their request to marry you?
I accept his offer, Papa.
Adam. I remember when I met your mother some of these years ago, good years ago. Some pretty woman and all that.
Mr. Ekeh.
Yes, Father.
I have heard about your intentions of getting married, but you have to run some important tests, such as genotype, your rhesus factor, your blood group, and your HIV status.
Yes, Father. But I've done most of these tests before now.
Yes, it's okay, but since you choose to get married in this parish, you registered to get married in my parish, you will have to do it in Missions Hospital.
It's okay by us. We will do that immediately.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you, Father.
It's only Lord be with the both of you.
And also
with you.
God bless you.
Here are the results. We also conducted a pregnancy test on her. Congratulations, madam. You are 6 weeks pregnant.
Wow, good. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Yes. The results you're holding indicates that both of you are AS. It means that you are the same genotype.
Yeah, we are already aware of that, doctor.
Okay. Are you also aware that once 2 AS gets married, there's a possibility of having an offspring that is a sickler? Though some people are afraid of venturing into marriage due to the possibility of having an offspring that is a sickler, while some are very lucky not to have one among so many of their children.
Doctor, are you saying there is a possibility that I won't give birth to a sickle at all?
Yes, but everything depends on God.
Very well then.
Yeah. Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you very much, doctor. I really appreciate it. No problem. Thank you.
Okay. You say you come with Father. Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
Nurse. Hey, doctor.
How's she?
Your wife just gave birth to a set of twins.
Doctor!
I'm telling you.
Doctor, I am very funny.
You are.
Thank you very much.
See me in my office.
Okay, the father. Thank you.
Okay. Are you sure it's okay?
Thank you, nurse.
Mr. Zimoza.
Yes, doctor.
There's a little situation here.
Doctor, what is the problem?
Calm down. Calm down. One of the twins is a sickler.
Huh?
While the other one is a carrier.
Oh my God.
I feel very worried about our daughter's attitude lately. Ella is getting more and more withdrawn these days.
I know, I noticed. God, I feel so guilty. I've been useless that I can't even do anything to help her. You know, I can't concentrate at work.
Please, let's not go there again. Let's not go there. There's no need crying over spilled milk. I've told you this before. Let's just look for a way to encourage her and to forge ahead.
Good day, Mom. Good day, Dad.
Hi.
Mom, Dad. I have something to say.
Okay.
Yes?
I've been thinking of a way to cheer Ella up and bring her back to her normal self.
Well, let's hear it.
I was actually thinking that maybe I could go back to school with her, just to have a change of environment. Maybe it might help the situation.
I don't get you. You want to take her back to your school with you?
Yes, Dad. Yes.
How do you think that's gonna work?
What?
Huh? How do you think she will react to this? She's your elder sister, you know that.
I know, Mom, I know. I mean, let's just give it a try. I'll talk to her, I'll convince her.
Okay.
Hey, babe.
Where the hell did you keep your phone? I've been calling you for long.
You have?
Yeah.
Shoot, I left my phone in my bag. I didn't even hear it ring.
What kept you so long? Was it not just the assignments you went to submit?
Oh, wow. 7 missed calls? How much did you miss me?
Please.
It wasn't just about the assignment. I saw the course rep and he was telling me that the prelim forms are on sale now.
Prelim form? What for?
Oh, it's for my sister. It's for Ella. I want to buy her the form, see if she can get into the school system via that means.
Yeah, that's a good idea, but how do you intend to do that?
Well, the form is for 2,500, and if and when I do buy her the form, she won't sit for it. Alright? I don't even want anybody to know about it. I'll keep it on the low, and everything will come out when her name and the result is published.
Why?
Because my father would never approve of it. My father thinks that if you have to get into the university, it has to be JAMB, not prelim studies. It has to be JAMB or direct entry.
In that case, how are you going about it?
You know, I thought about writing the exam for her.
You?
Yeah, but then again, that's risky.
Thank God you know.
Because a student or a lecturer that knows me may be passing by and that will implicate me. So when it comes to how to write the exam, actually I am very clueless.
Yeah, that's true. But yes!
I got
it, girl.
What?
Problem solved.
Okay.
See what will happen. First thing tomorrow morning before the exam starts.
Yeah.
I'll take you to the head of department. Okay. You know that man is a real man. I believe he will help us to get someone that will sit for the exam for your sister.
You think?
Yeah. Don't worry. He's my person. Don't worry yourself.
Oh God, I pray. I pray hard. I really want to do this for Ella.
To work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, look at the time. We need to catch that bus. Thank you, the bus. It's getting late. Okay. Is that mine?
So,
Ella, see, this is your favorite magazine. Okay, I just got it from our neighbor. Please take it. Yeah, come in. Hey, tonto! Hey, my boss!
Man, I deal with
Man, Jojo, you don't say, oh. Where you go there now? Wait, you do. After you have to find an exam, you just come out, leave all your men like that. When your guys, they do call up, they do post me matter, you just go sit down with your mama. Sure.
But yeah, I miss my leg badly. But I miss house. This even I don't pay, I don't pay.
Change,
change, see me everything.
I greet you, my brother.
I did have fun.
You are greeting, man. My elder sister, she be the elder for the twins.
Hey, hi, how are you? Jojo, how's it going? See, I didn't tell you. I didn't tell you. I mean, I don't show. Yeah. But I'm not going to fall out with the bottle.
Abi?
I didn't tell you now, straight from the bottle.
I didn't tell you.
Please, let's just hang out with my friend, okay?
I'm sorry, I can't.
Sister Reggie, please. Small one.
Let's just hang out now. You put me down for the matter.
I need that well, pure one.
Please,
Thanks, I can't.
Jojo, make I just change. No, go. Abi. Tonto! I see you at the happy.
My guy, me I don't buy LV shoe. Ella, good day. Didn't you hear my knock?
I didn't hear it.
You're not watching the television. You're just staring into space like that. So meanwhile, why didn't you join us for a beer yesterday?
Because I wasn't in the mood to go out.
Okay. I came looking for Richie. Obviously he's not around, and I've been trying his line and he's not going through. Just tell him I called, okay? Okay?
Okay. You have to help us. Her twin sister has been waiting to go to school for 4 years. Please, it's not been easy with her.
Alright, I'm going to help her, but on one condition.
What condition, sir?
You pay me 100,000 naira and I'll let somebody write it for her.
100,000?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I appreciate your willingness to help in this, but the price is negotiable, right? 100,000, that's a lot. It's rather exorbitant.
It's okay.
Lillian, don't you think so?
It's okay, Ruth. It's okay.
Sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Get back to you very soon, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
God, 100,000? Where on earth am I supposed to get that amount of money from?
I don't know. What are we going to do?
I don't know. I just have to come up with something. Maybe I'll have to cook up a story that will make my dad release that amount of money to me. I hope.
Yeah, I think he will do it. No problem. Let's run along. We're already late. We go.
See, bro, I'm so worried about my sister, man. I don't even know what to do, like the measure to take. I don't know.
So where is she now?
She went to get something.
And Richie, are you trying to tell me she's your elder sister?
Yes, now. She's my older sister. She's the older of the twin.
Richie is normal. It's normal for her to act the way she's acting. Who wouldn't? After all she's gone through in life. It's just nature, okay?
Man, I pray, because we are so worried about her, man. I'm tired.
Richie, calm down, huh? I'll try and do something about it. Have you forgotten I'm a social worker? I definitely will do something about it.
Man, I almost forgot. Well, I'll be so happy if you're willing to help. And at least let's just see what our reaction will be. I'm tired of this matter, man. It's scatter my head. I swear.
Choose.
So, man.
What are you eating though?
Why eat, man? I get one Indomie for there. I just...
Don't bring I don't say egg no go there. But bring like that. Reggie.
I thought you said you were done preparing for your project. So what is this 100,000 naira for?
Daddy, please. It's an emergency, a matter of urgency, and I want to pay the person, the guy that did the research.
Listen to yourself. Huh? You can't be serious. Get out. Get out of my sight.
Easy, honey. You don't need to work yourself.
It's just money.
It's okay. But she's a good girl, though.
Yeah, right.
So, what's in the news?
Where is the war in the Middle East again?
Oh,
as usual.
Yeah. Oh.
It's more like it. It's more like it. Come. What is it?
Just like the moon, you bright up my night, gave me joy and saved my heart from tearing. I never thought I would ever smile, yeah. But then you showed up just like the sun in the morning, turn my life around and make me fall in love. You made me fall in love. Oh, people, now I believe that life is not all about suffering. Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. But without you I feel so empty. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy. Oh, you are the source of my joy, the only one that brings me joy, joy. Oh, now I believe that life is not all about suffering. Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. But without you I feel so empty. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy.
George. A long time.
Yes. And I came in 3 days ago.
They don't post you?
No, not yet. What about you?
I'm still waiting something. I never see anything.
Well, I go better soon.
I'm Mark.
Hi, I'm Ella.
Because say you carry up, you don't want to introduce them to me. All for you.
I don't be like that.
Yeah, where are you going?
With the girls now.
Okay, now I'll see you.
Okay.
In the evening, are you
In
sure?
the evening, I don't come out for 9
Are you sure? No problem.
Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. But without you I feel so empty. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy.
I need to calm down now. The food is not running.
You are the source of my joy, the only one that brings me joy.
I don't want you to rush it.
Hey, I brought some more for you guys.
See, you must be also.
Alright, let me just.
The food is so tasty.
Thank you.
Very tasty. Today is here. To chop.
You guys. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy.
I want to say big thank you to you. Thank you for bringing my sister back to her normal self. Shy is nothing. It's not. Come on, let's eat. Stop food. The man. Food get taste and I just say the meat no plenty. Today add a small from beef. Oh God. From beef now from look again. Level. But you still go well. You must still go well, sure.
Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. But without you I feel so empty.
I want me to be.
When I hear your voice,
if I call you out, I'm going to use big one. I don't use meat. Where you come and return vegetarian?
I can't seem to find this.
It's in page 46. Yeah.
What chapter is that?
Chapter 2.
I wish
Lillian? Sister?
What? Then go ahead, pick up the call. Pick it up.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, sweetie.
Hi, Eta.
How are you? I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Oh my God, I've been trying to reach you guys. Hi, it's mom and dad.
They're okay.
Me too. I am so happy. I was actually missing you guys, so I decided to call and know how you guys are doing.
Oh, I miss you too, darling.
So, I hope to see you guys soon.
I am so pleased to hear that.
Alright, take care.
And take care of yourself too, alright?
Bye.
Okay, sweetie. Bye. Okay, so that was strange.
Strange? What did she say exactly?
She said that she called to know how I'm doing, how everybody's doing, and that she misses us. Can you imagine?
That's surprising, you know. Wait, what must have made her to come back to her real self?
I have no idea. And best believe that whatever it is, best believe that thing did a good job. Are you serious, Ella? Oh my goodness. Yeah. I cannot believe this. Really? Oh, my Ella.
Look at you. Look at you. You're happy again.
Yeah,
you know?
I'm happy.
That's nice. So, yeah, I was actually looking for something.
Mommy! Hello, my sweetheart.
Hey, Mommy!
Welcome, my dear.
Good afternoon, Mommy.
Good afternoon. How was school today?
School was beautiful. It couldn't have been better. You won't believe what happened today.
Yes.
Ella called me. And my goodness, she sounded so happy. And she said that she misses us. And she sounded so happy and excited. I couldn't even contain my joy because it felt good hearing Ella talk like that after all the long period of self-withdrawal.
She called me too.
She did? Wow.
And she was sounding so healthy and happy.
Oh, okay, bad. I'm really happy. I'm happy Ella is very sound where she is, and I think also that school environment did a whole lot of magic.
Yes, it did.
Thank God for Richie.
I thank God. I thank God. Maybe I should even give him a call.
Okay. Alright.
Why don't you go in and freshen up and find something to eat? I know you must be very hungry.
Very, Mommy, I'm famished. Come here, right back.
Okay.
Dad. Mommy. Yeah? Something I want to show you people. I took the liberty of buying Ella a pre-degree phone and they offered her admission.
When was this?
A month ago. I did it for her, just so she can get into the school environment. She'll be happy there, I know she will.
I don't really fancy all these preliminary studies and arrangements and all that. But I'm beginning to see reason with this. And maybe it's for the best.
Yes, yes, Daddy.
You did good.
I thank God that you like it.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
It's alright.
I'm grateful. Oh, I'm happy. Okay,
Play game.
I'll play now. I'm scared of you. Wait, this is hold on.
I never thought I would ever smile.
Take two.
But then you showed up just like the sun in the morning. Turn my life around and make
You're laughing at me, but I'll see me.
made me fall in love.
My God.
You're welcome.
My God.
This bros. Sis, what's up? Man, I got good news.
What's the good news in that?
You've just been offered admission to study one PhD course in ETA school.
I don't remember writing any exam like that.
Yes. ETA actually worked something out, okay? I mean, she doesn't want you to stay at home doing nothing again for another year. So she just...
Wow, that's a good one. That's a good one, Ella. That's a good one.
How would she do a thing like that without my consent? Does mom and dad know about this?
Yes, mom actually called me. George, listen, Netta did what she did. I mean, just to help Ella. I don't seem to see anything wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong in that at all. There's nothing wrong in what she did. But you know your own sister. She's stubborn at times.
Yeah. I know the worst part. I don't even know what to do right now. See, George, can you help me convince her? Like, talk to her, I mean?
Don't worry, man. Calm down, okay? Just calm down. I'll try my best.
Come on, let's drink on. Nothing, just drink. Stop me, seriously.
I understand. What's up, brother? You do now?
Just don't like the idea. Seriously.
Why?
I don't know. I don't even know.
Ella, you're just confused. Now let me clear your head a little. Your twin sister have your interest at heart. And that is why she had to purchase that phone and paid someone, took the risk of paying someone to write the exams for you. Your P is this. You're surprised that she did what she did without your consent. But all she did was for your own good. It's cool. Okay?
So...
Yes. You see, instead of you staying at home, idle doing nothing, I think it's the right thing for you to do. You've got nothing to lose and you don't have anything to worry about. Okay? It's gonna be okay. Trust me.
Just like the moon, you bright up my night. Gave me joy and saved my heart from tearing. I never thought I would ever smile. Yeah. But then you showed up just like the sun in the morning. Turn my life around and make me fall in love. You made me fall in love. Oh, people. Now I believe that life is not all about suffering. Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. For without you I feel so empty. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy. Oh, people. You are the source of my joy, the only one that brings me joy, joy. Oh, people. Now I believe that life is not all about suffering. Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. For without you I feel so empty. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy. Oh, people.
Yes, sir.
Well, from the audit report available to us here, we have a loss of 25 million naira.
So, Mr. Zumuzu, how do you explain this?
25 million naira. I'm sorry, sir. I can't explain that. I'm not even aware of that. 25 million naira.
So, do you mean to tell us that as the manager of this branch, you don't know what is going on in the finance department of this company? Huh? No, sir. No, sir. It's just that I'm not aware of it.
Just what? That you're competent in performing your duties?
Not exactly, sir. 25 million naira.
That will be all for now.
How? Where? What department? 25 million naira.
Darling.
Yes, love.
I don't get it. You mean we are queried for the loss of money you know nothing about?
Yes.
Yeah. Hey. How much is it?
25 million naira.
25 million naira?
Yes.
God. Jeez. My God. What happened? I mean, what happened to that kind of money?
Well, the auditors came, they checked their accounts, and when they were about to balance, they came up 25 million naira short. That's all I know.
My goodness. My goodness. Ha. My God. It's okay. Don't worry. Huh? Let's just pray that nothing comes out of this.
Yeah.
It's okay. Hey.
It's okay, finish your own. What will happen now? You won't collect my own. May we go, so me move the go.
Have slapped that guy back there. That was you pushing it. For crying out loud. Eta, no. Eta, no. No. I am no longer the Ella you used to know. I am no longer that weeping child. Nobody can ever intimidate me any longer. No one. Nobody is intimidating you, alright? I'm just saying that this is a university and we have different people from different backgrounds schooling here. You don't go around hitting people, that's not right. One day someone will be tempted to hit you back, or the school authority may get info that you're stubborn and they'll expel you. You don't want to be expelled, darling, do you? Right? Me. Nobody. Come, it's fine. It's okay. Ella, calm down.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Miss
Zimuzo, sir.
Zimuzo, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, I guess this is the younger sister you told me about.
Sir.
Always be a good girl. You're welcome to the institution.
Yes, sir. Okay, bye-bye, sir.
Hey, are you going to warn me or something? What is it? Wait.
your younger sister?
That man? That's because he was quick to assume that, you know, you're mine. He didn't even wait for any introduction. He just left in a hurry. Is that why you pulled me like that? Why are you embarrassing us in public?
Ella?
As my elder sister, come on, don't be like that.
How is she going to defend that? How is she going to defend that? Introducing me to her lecturer as her younger sister. That was what she did the other day in my class. One of my classmates insulted me, and I was even trying to defend myself because of the way they've been intimidating me in that class. Mommy, she came, you know what she did? She started blaming me. See, Etta, let me just warn you. The fact that you got into the university before me does not give you the right to insult me. I am still your eldest and I still know things more than you, whether I like it or not. Mommy, tell her.
Mommy, see what happened though? The lecturer she's talking about, when we saw the man, everything happened too quickly. There was no introduction anyways because there was no need to. The man just saw us. Before I could say anything, he quickly concluded that she is my younger sister. And the one about her classroom, if it wasn't for my timely intervention, people in her class would have heard her. You know why? Because you raised your hands on a guy.
Mommy, she's lying.
Oh, quiet! Quiet, both of you. Keep quiet. What's all this blah 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 blah?
Mommy, look at her even talking to me.
It's okay. It's okay. Etta, you must always realize she's your elder sister.
They're twins!
Shut up! What do you mean you're twins?
With how many? Really?
If I get her from here, I'll give you a slap. That's a promise. So better keep your mouth shut. And you also. She's your younger sister. You should respect her as well. There's no reason for all this rancor. Okay? Baby girl.
Ma?
Say sorry to your elder sister.
Sorry? How? What did I do now?
That's what I want you to do right now. Sorry, Joe.
It's nothing from her mind.
Hold on. Can you tell her you love her? Can you do it? Do it for mommy, come on.
Mommy, I can't.
You can't? You see where you go wrong. But it's okay. It's okay. But I know she still loves you. She doesn't want you to run into trouble. Can you just go in there, freshen up, and eat in love? I prepared something delicious for you. Huh? I know she still loves you. Whether you said it or not.
Mommy, see. Tell her.
I will go in. Yeah. You change. Always looking for what to call that.
Just like the moon, you bright up my night, gave me joy and saved my heart from tearing. I never thought I would ever smile. But then you showed up just like the sun in the morning. Turned my life around and you made me fall in love. Oh, people, now I believe that life is not all about suffering. Now I believe I can be happy when you're there. But without you I feel so empty. When I hear your voice, my sorrows and pain are gone. Fill my life with joy.
Darling, I don't understand this Ella's mood swing. You know, I just walked past her door and I overheard her on the phone. She was singing to someone and then she would stop singing. She would start talking, just chatting, and then stop talking and start singing again.
Who was she talking to?
I don't know. She was on the phone. It's confusing.
Everybody is just noticing this mood swing. I hope this one lasts.
Yeah, I just hope she will retain this liveliness.
I just pray.
Her life can remain and return to normal. Imagine her singing.
Thank God. Just pray it lasts.
Yeah.